the first thing you have to do is go to the Google menu and choose Spreadsheet. Then what you can do is to change the name of your sheet. After that, you can click on the first box and type. In here you can change the font style. Now what you have to do is to change the size. And here you can make it bold. Change the color and also the color of the box. In Edit you will find these tools: undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, paste special, delete, search and replace. In Insert you can find cells, rows, columns, chart, pivot table, image and drawing, function, link, checkbox, people chip, comment and note. In Format you can change theme, number, text, alignment, rotation, font size, merge cells, conditional formatting, alternative colors. This way you will be able to use the Google Spreadsheets. Go ahead and explore all your tools.